Munsaya. Have our judges take a note of the sequencing? Okay, before we proceed, are there questions from the contestants or the officials? None? We will now begin the International Speech Contest. Timers ready? Contestant number 1, CristinaYung. The Shift. The Shift, CristinaYung.
Have you ever doubted yourself or felt you are not good enough? Come on, raise your hand. Today, allow me to share with you an event to remember that brought me here. I am a super duper introverted person. Do you know what that means? Ask me what?
What?
I'm scared to speak in front of many people. Yes, people like you. Ask me why.
Why?
I'm afraid to be judged. Working on every speech project has been a struggle for me for the past 3.5 years. Until one day, President Leah called my attention. Cristina, when are you delivering your speech? She convinced me to just deliver my speech for what I thought was a mock contest organized by our club. On the day of the contest, there were 3 contestants. One backed out, another went overtime. This gave me mixed emotions. I felt I was not good enough to win and kept the certificate awarded to me. After our Christmas party, I sat beside my friend and secretly asked, "How was my speech?" She said, "You look pretty." How is that for an evaluation? I'm always pretty. Friends came over to congratulate me. I thought I won because there's no one else to pick. Then it was announced that I will be representing our club in this contest, which turned up my anxiety level. Sometimes I run, sometimes I hide, sometimes I'm scared of you. Yes, I cannot sing too. From that day onwards, I would make all excuses not to attend club meetings, so as not to be reminded of the coming competition. All I wanted is to hold you tight and treat you right and be with you day and night. BF Community, my club. All I need is time. The clock was ticking. I have to prepare. But speech ideas were not flowing. Why was this happening to me? I asked my sister and my friends, but no one can give me an answer except me. I prayed so hard, asking for clarity. Was there anyone who was putting pressure on me? Was it my club? No. Was it my family or my friends? No. It was me all along. Because I am afraid to be judged that I am not good enough. I made an effort to shift my self-critical thoughts to the ones that were kind and understanding. I would treat myself just as how I would treat a friend in difficult times. So I treated myself an ice cream and positive talk. My anxiety level dipped. Ideas started flowing. Thoughts became clearer. And I even had the material to deliver in this contest. To everyone who have raised their hands a while ago, have you ever doubted yourself or felt you were not good enough? Let me tell you this. We can overcome all fears by consciously befriending and rooting for ourselves. That same thought gave me the courage and the reason to stand before you today. 1, to inspire my fellow Toastmasters friends. 2, to win, but this time not by default, but by a landslide. Mr.